In this video, I'm going to show you how to password and protect your WhatsApp from third parties and from being hacked. Okay, and to do that, the first thing you want to do is to go to your WhatsApp. Once your WhatsApp is open, you click on the menu at the top right. Okay, now click on settings, go to your account, then tap on two-step verification. Here you will need to turn it on. Once you turn two-step verification on, you'll be requested to enter 6-digit PIN. Okay, you need to enter 6-digit PIN. Here you will need to re-enter the PIN again. Now enter your email, your desired email. Once you enter your email, you click on next. You may need to re-enter the email again. Then you click on next again. You are all done. Okay, now your two-step verification is set up. Once anybody is trying to log in using your phone number, they will be required to provide the 6-digit number or your 6-digit PIN, or to impute your email, to provide your email. Okay, if this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe, hit